This workshop is 50 degrees right now, and I'm going to measure how long it takes for this Fisher Mama Bear stove to heat up the workshop. It's huffing and puffing, and I'm starting to feel some heat. The stove is here at the back of the workshop, and as it starts heating up the workshop, I've decided to put my thermostat over here. It's on the opposite side of the workshop, about halfway to the front door. I use two fans to help distribute the heat through the workshop. I have this one that blows across the stove. This fan blows the heat onto this side of the workshop. Heat rises, and then I have this box fan up here that blows the heat across the ceiling and down against that wall onto that side of the workshop. 53 degrees. This is giving off a lot of heat now. I think the temperature is going to rise a little bit faster. It's a slow start, obviously, because the fire is smaller at the beginning, but also because it has to heat up this iron box. Yes, that is a golf club. 56 degrees. I've had the fan on low since I've started this experiment. Part of this is because the fan makes a lot of noise when it goes on high. That's a good bit noisier. But with the fan on low, when I put my hand over the air column, I don't feel a whole lot of heat. But when it is on high, I feel even less heat. So I know the fan is a lot more effective at extracting more heat if there's more air blowing across the stove. That Fisher Mama Bear wood-burning stove has heated this workshop up to 67 degrees. It's nice and comfortable, a perfect temperature for getting something done.